Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Picture car white waiting for 2024 to 2020, 2028. Picture cars waiting for 2024 to 2028. One say peak at the most, promotion car trucks and so over the next few years. Every even in the age and the next day delivered self checkout and gigabit internet some which cannot be raised that car trucks and so seen here won't reach the lost of another from a few months to a few years. Some of them are about to roll down this assembly lines. Others haven't immigrated from the design studio yet. We are tell you about them now. Those because there are Rachel that will matter regardless of how many bring cons and autos there's 2025 BMW M5. 2025 BMW M5. The next generation BMW M5 Saint will take the stone for the 2025 model year with upgrading, pointing this premiums lot more power than before. For the first time, the M5 BMW M5 will be offered a Spogel in horn with a staying the 738 hours power and staying all-wheel drive. There are even around that is will be offered an strong word from a North America. North America, unfortunately, we are still two for some express July 2024 and launch date for list of complete speech, but we are explain their process of the Wang version, the throwing in BMW speak, the M5 coming our shores. The BMW M5 Saint will take the stone for the 2025 model year with and upgrading powertrain that the permission lost more power than before. For the first time, the M5 will be offered as a plug-in hybrid. Cardinals clustering. EV launch WhatsApp went 2023 SU Soup and the continue with the press Sankarding Cruise and the travel 3 lakhs US dollar. Curtis IQ 2025, the Cat Drillings Scalar IQ. Speaking and compromise issue with is the neo bread power isugal IQ, the 750 half electric sub wheel RS and the summer 2024 a 200 kW watt battery park sitting under the fold and 450 miles driving between charging. Nice car. 2025 SEO. So the cover sub explained will soon growth in increase rate. 2025 choose score R ZR120 ZR1. The mind covered G8 platform was always standard span wheel runs in the ZR1 remaining have the 800 hub twin two and the Z06.55 little B8 and with the top dog Jordans. 2025 Dodder EB. The black color, nice. 2026 Ford Mustang Rapport. GV19 can be GV19. GV19, a nice color. Here, Janice already has the flagship sending button sail press for luxurious brand can do without top drug score and the G19 we will be large than two. So Jeep Recon. A Jeep EV is a calming details are still scanned, but we do know that the four-wheel drive Jeep Recon EV will be a electric show with an avail- available power folder rope and easily remoteable doors. Details size and picture, drive, range, and battery size and power output have been then years photos have been 2024 Jeep Recon luxurious electric sport the 2025 luxury electric sports luxury sold and range electric compatibility and this improved and there are the lap and 22nd this is the lot 2025 and the Ligos Gabriel Mazda Mazda X CX show 17 AMG C63 2028 Savor WRX. This website nicely presentation the future car what waiting for 2024 to 2028 the lot of car I can scrolling to total car. Thank you very much. Best of luck, my friend.